So this port light here has been dripping in the inside from that corner pretty much non-stop. So I'm taking the frame out and I'm gonna rebed the whole thing. And I got in the corner that's been leaking, and look at that, there's like a bit of water coming out already. So pretty sure the water's just been pooling in there. Yeah, look.
Oh yeah. Well, I think we found our leak. Maybe we should have just started with the window.
Yeah.
It's weird, we used 4200 on it.
Yeah.
And we'll try Sikaflex.
Yeah. Should work.
You got it off.
Yeah, and I think the water is coming right here and just coming down and dripping inside, because that's the black section. The port light's been drying out for quite a while, so now I'm gonna be trying some Sikaflex and rebed the whole thing, and hopefully it doesn't leak anymore. So the last time we used, actually, what was it? It was 4200 from 3M, which we haven't really had any trouble with, but we figured might as well try something new. It's actually cheaper and apparently works really well, so we'll see. And the windows put back together. Now we just gotta wait for the rain and see if it actually leaks. Yes, I am. Today is an exciting day. We are finally testing our new dinghy floor. Hopefully that's solid and it actually works. But one thing that's for sure, it's not gonna rot. So let's see. And you've got to remember to put it in before you inflate the thing.
Oh, look at me, I'm standing right in the light. How perfect is that? They're clear, you can barely even see them. It's almost like we don't have a dinghy floor at all.
It's floating on the air. Sort of. Set this up. We got the paddles.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the lake.
Bye bye.
See ya.
Hello!
And we got a boat.
Look at you! Yay!
And the floors are working. Are you excited?
Yeah, let's hope it starts. I'll be more excited when it starts.
Smells like gas. What happened to our dinghy ride?
Oh, it went real smoothly. The engine just isn't starting, and it's no wonder why. Look at all that crud in the carburetor, or in the bowl anyway. So yeah, we're gonna have to do a little maintenance here. We also noticed there's a bit of oil leaking out of the foot of the motor, which is probably not a very good sign either. So we gotta check the oil levels. Hopefully we didn't damage anything over the winter. Yummy. Well, the bowl's all cleaned out. It's not leaking out of the sides of the bowl anymore, so hopefully we won't make a mess, and hopefully it'll start and we won't have any more issues.
Moment of truth.
Let's see.
Yeah. Come on, it's smoking.
line.
Who's coming? It feels so good being on the water. That's actually the first time we get out past the marina because our boat's been a mess and we've been working on way too many different projects and we don't have a mast yet either. So we got the dinghy going. Woohoo!
We made it! And we didn't have to paddle. Haha!
Can't see. The drip was like right here.
So the T connection?
I don't know if it's the T or if it's that hose there.
Oh, okay.
Hard to tell. But yeah, I think that might be why we've been getting, because that's quite a bit of water and it's not like, if it was this shit water I feel like it would be more
Stinky.
yeah, more stinky and
But it is pretty stinky, but it's...
it is, but it's like not, I mean it might just be like that compartment is like full of mold and shit.
Mm-hmm.
You know? So
Well, it's a relatively new lake though.
yeah. So see that little ball valve there? That's the raw water intake for our head or toilet. And it seems like the leak actually was coming right from there, from the hose clamps, whenever we pump water into the toilet. So that's a relief. It's not the waste tank. Woohoo! Phew! Let's deal with this now.
So we're in the middle of a few projects. The boat's a little bit of a mess right now. But some friends of ours, Mark and Margaret, invited us to go for a sail. So we're definitely going to take them up on that offer. I think it's going to be a nice kind of break from all of the work we've been doing, both on the boat and off the boat. So can't wait. It's going to be nice and relaxing, and the wind's picked up, and it's a beautiful day outside. Excited, cowgirl?
Oh, I'm so excited. I've been wanting to go sailing for way too long. And our boat is a power boat. It's really not a sailboat. We're working on the mast and multiple other projects. So it's gonna be awesome. Oh, so excited. Let's go. They're waiting for us.
We're going the right way. That's right. That's awesome.
Happy summer!
Sheet means taking it in.
Sheet is, yeah, sheet it. Ease it. Oh yeah. It's all presentation.
Look at this.
Look at this.
How's your dessert, Mark?
What is that round thing on there?
Microphone.
He looks like a.
So it doesn't get.
You're on
It reminds you of like one of those things from Captain Kirk on Star Trek. What were they called? They were called truffles.
Troubles with tribbles.
Oh.
Tribbles. Troubles and tribbles. You remember that?
Alright, we got the lid on. It was a bit of a mission. We needed all hands on deck, so there was no hands for filming. But we got it on. And yeah, now we're doing our little mount standoffs here so that we can mount to the existing holes on the radar mounts. We're in the figuring process. How's the figuring going?
Everything's so much more complicated than a boat. You're like, that's gonna be easy. It'll take us just a few minutes, half hour. Turns out into times 10 pretty much. So, because this got to mount onto a plate, but then we've got to be able to screw these guys, and when we have them the other way around, well, you can't really get a screwdriver under. So we flip them around, and we're gonna see if that works.
I think it'll work.
I think better. Let's see. Then this goes this through the hole, and this is gonna have.
I think that's how we're gonna have to do it. What do you think?
I think so too. So I guess we've got to go buy some bolts.
We need two more of these. You always need at least one or two, don't you? Other than the hood being mounted slightly off with the lettering not being on the sides, it's finally mounted.
Who says it's supposed to be on the side anyways? Where's the Phillips?
It's mounted the right direction at least. The front is here, the wires come out the back, so it's mounted the right direction. We just put the hood on the wrong way. But it's finally mounted. This means that we finally have our quarter berth back again, because it was sitting in our quarter berth for, how long was that sitting there for?
Since got it in August.
How happy are you, Alex?
Oh, I'm super excited. Am I crooked?
I don't know if you're excited. You don't seem excited.
Because this is not working that great. It's hard to change this.
Is it? Or would you like to hold the wrench and I'll turn the screwdriver?
Go ahead, because I don't want to strip them. And you know how fragile those guys are.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness. 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
If this video looks a little different, it's because we're filming on a GoPro Hero 7 Black. So let us know if you like the new look. We're probably going to continue filming with both cameras. So this is our new addition to our squad for action-y type things, but I'm going to be trying to film a variety of different things just for testing purposes early on, so let us know what you think. So I already got a bunch of the wires heat shrunk and put together here. I accidentally soldered this one without putting heat shrink on it, so I got to desolder that right quick and slap some heat shrink on it. We got a few more of these bare wires to connect, and our main bare wire and shielding I'm going to try to connect. I don't think the shielding will actually solder, so I might just kind of twist that together, but this I will solder together. And yeah, then try to heat shrink it. It might be too fat, so I may just have to tape it. These were the biggest heat shrinks I had, and it doesn't look like it's all going to fit now that I have the connectors here instead of doing the solder joints. But let's see how it goes. Yeah, it's finally all finished. As you can see here, I need to complete, well, I shouldn't say it's all finished. It's mostly finished. I just need to heat shrink these with some sort of heat. I don't have it with me right now. And yeah, so this project's done. I gotta move on to making something for that light so it can actually stand off, because we pulled the radar cable through where our light was. And then do a little bit of heat shrink over at that end, and we should be finished. Yeah, and we still got plenty of sun to do it.